Welcome, everyone. Today we are delving into a fascinating realm, exploring the intricate dance between ethics and morals, especially in the context of communication. Now, let's clarify a common misconception. Ethics and morals are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings. Imagine ethics as rules indicated by external sources, shaped by professional and legal guidelines in a specific time and place. It's how we navigate the gray areas, the value judgments we make in communication and beyond. Consider workplaces like those of lawyers, policemen, and doctors. They all adhere to an ethical code set by their profession, irrespective of personal feelings. In the realm of communication, the Society of Professional Journalists Codes of Ethics stands as a prime example. It outlines principles for ethical journalism, urging journalists to seek truth, report it objectively, and minimize harm to all involved. On the flip side, we have morals, a terrain where individuals define their principles of right and wrong. No legal guidelines govern these principles. They are shaped by personal feelings about what's good or bad. This is where the infamous gray area becomes a playground for one's moral compass. Now let's explore the two forms of ethics, descriptive and prescriptive. Descriptive ethics, also known as comparative ethics, focus on what is. It is a scientific study delving into the moral beliefs and practices of diverse people and cultures across different times and places. It answers the question, what do people believe is right in a specific context? On the other hand, prescriptive ethics or normative ethics tackles what ought to be. It delves into principles, rules, or theories guiding our actions and judgments. The fundamental question here is, how should people act? Applying this to communication, descriptive ethics might help us understand the beliefs of tabloid journalists about invading the privacy of celebrities. Meanwhile, normative ethics would evaluate whether holding such beliefs is morally correct. As we navigate this intricate tapestry of ethics and morals in communication, remember that these principles not only shape our professional landscapes but also influence our personal journeys. So stay tuned for more insights into the dynamic world of media ethics and governance.